Okay, hello class. We're going to find the slope of the curve at a given point. So for example, I have here y equals 3x squared minus 4x at point 2 and 4. Yung 2 and 4 dito, naalala nyo, ito yung x, then ito yung y. Okay. Before that, we're going to get the derivative of the given equation. Y equals 3x squared minus 4x. To get the derivative of that, pinapalitan natin si y na y plus delta y equals 3 at si x naman na x plus delta x. Then yung squared minus 4, then yung x palitan ulit ng x plus delta x. Now let us simplify. Diba yung favorite ninyo? Simplify. Bring down muna natin to. Y plus delta y equals 3. Ang simplify nito, x plus delta x squared is x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus, then distribute natin to, 4x minus 4 delta x. Simplify ulit natin to. Ito kasi may parenthesis pa. So bring down ulit natin si y plus delta y equals 3x squared. Distribute natin si 3 inside the parenthesis plus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 4x minus 4 delta x. After nating masimplify, di ba ima-minus natin yung original equation dito sa equation natin na to. The original equation is y equals 3x squared minus 4x. We're going to subtract that. So simply cancel, 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 cancel. Then sulat natin yung mga natira. May delta y equals 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 4 delta x. Then we're going to factor out delta x. Kasi pare-pareho silang may delta x. So delta y equals delta x. So matatanggal na siya dito, magiging 6x plus, so isang delta x na naman titira, 3 delta x minus, lalabas na yon 4. Then we're going to divide both sides by delta x. Delta x, para makancel. So delta y over delta x is equal to 6x plus 3 delta x minus 4. Then we're going to get the derivative of y over derivative of x by getting the limit of 6x plus 3 delta x minus 4 as delta x approaches 0. Answer will be derivative of y over derivative of x is equal to 6x minus 4. So ito pa lang yung derivative. Di pa natin nakukuha yung slope. To get the slope, we're going to substitute the value of x. But ano kanina, in the given point, the value of x is 2. When x equals 2, then the derivative of y over derivative of x is equal to 6x minus 4. To get the slope, we're going to substitute the given value of x dito sa derivative of y over derivative of x. So for the slope, I have here 6 times 2 minus 4. So for the slope, 6 times 2 is 12 minus 4. Then our slope now is equal to 8. This is our final answer. Ganun lang. Our example number 2, I have here y equals 3 plus 4x squared minus 2x at 1, 1. So katulad kanina, we're going to get the derivative of 3, y equals 3 plus 4x squared minus 2x. So derivative, change y into y plus delta y equals 3 plus 4. Yung x naman sa x plus delta x squared minus 2 times x plus delta x. Next, let us simplify. Y plus delta y equals 3 plus 4 times x squared, ito simplify, plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Then distribute to, minus 2x minus 2 delta x. Simplify pa natin, kailangan walang parenthesis. Y plus delta y equals 3 plus, distribute natin si 4, 4x squared plus 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared minus 2x minus 2 delta x. Maiksi lang, diba? Next, let us subtract the original equation dito sa equation na ginawa natin, which is y equals yung 3, dapat yun na lang siya kung saan siya kapareho, plus 4x squared minus 2x. Subtract. So, subtraction means cancel yan. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So, sino-sino matitira? Delta y equals 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared minus 2 delta x. So, tulad kanina, let us get the let us factor out delta x. So delta y equals delta x. So 8x plus 4 delta x minus 2. Ay, 2 na lang pala kasi wala na yung delta x. Next, let us divide both sides by delta x. Delta x cancel. So delta y over delta x is equal to 8x plus 4 delta x minus 2. Next, let us get the limit. Derivative of y over derivative of x is equal to the limit of 8x plus 4 delta x minus 2 as delta x approaches 0. So our derivative of y over derivative of x will be 8x minus 2. Derivative pa lang yan. We're going to get the slope at the point 1, 1. So, sa 1, 1 na yan, ang x natin ay 1, ang y natin ay 1. So we're going to get the slope where when x equals 1, so the derivative of y over derivative of x is equal to 8x minus 2. Then, the slope will be substituting the value of x to the given derivative, which is 8 times 1 minus 2. Then, to get the slope, 8 times 1 is 8, minus 2 is 6. The slope now is 6. This is our final answer.